Good evening, sir. Good evening, classmates. I'm Andrew Rosel Tabonas, and I'm to report about the green design. So, let us define what is green design. According to Foster plus Partners in 1999, green design is the creation of buildings which are energy efficient, healthy, comfortable, flexible in use, and designed for long life. The purpose of green design it should have a minimal impact on the environment, both in terms of products and materials used in the construction, but in the functionality of the building as well. Another definition, green design is also known as sustainable design or green architecture. It is a design approach that integrates environmental advocacy in building infrastructure. There are common elements of green design. This includes alternative energy sources, energy conservation, and reuse of materials. Some concepts directly pertain to architecture. For instance, underground or earth-sheltered construction can organically help control a structure's climate, which can reduce energy use. So, a sustainable design should always seek to amalgamate environmentally preferred outcomes throughout the whole life cycle of the building. The choices that are made during the design stage can have a huge impact on how sustainable a building can be. Therefore, if a building can adopt over generations and still remain environmentally friendly, it is truly sustainable. This is what is at the core of sustainable design, the ability to adjust to changes through time. So there are three components, primary components of green design. We have the reduce, reuse, and recycle. I think most of us here already have an idea what are these three components. So when we see the reduce, it's the concept wherein we redesign a product to use less materials. And reuse concept means to fabricate a product using materials that can be used again. Recycling refers to the concept of reprocessing a product at the end of its life cycle into new raw materials that can be processed into new products. There are benefits of green design. So, building green provides benefits to the health and safety of occupants, the community, and the environment. So, these benefit includes reduced environmental impact through material and resource conservation. It also increased efficiency of heating and cooling systems. Also reduced operating and utility costs. It increases daylight access. It enhances occupant comfort and health. So, sustainable design can make a building more attractive inside and out, improving the comfort and quality of the indoor environment, improving community and global citizenship, and increasing occupant health. There are also long term benefits to the community and to the environment. These include a sustainable site. Reusing of an existing building means that new land is not developed, that fewer resources are used in construction, and that it is in a downtown location. We also have accessible transportation. So, public transportation is easily accessible, and the building includes bicycle storage, showers, and pedestrian friendly access. We also have energy conservation. So, non-profit centers, sustainable building design contribute to reduce environmental impact by conserving energy, decreasing air pollution emissions, and wisely using water and natural energy sources to improve performance. We also have the materials and resources conservation. Whenever possible, the center uses non toxic materials to maintain good indoor air quality. Additionally, there is a strong commitment to using renewable, sustainably harvested, and or recycled materials. Water efficiency will also keep water and sewer costs low, solving the growth of operating costs. So, how to achieve a sustainable design? Following these steps. Designing for the future is a key part of design, but is of particular importance in green design. How the space will function for its original purpose and how it could be used in the future are at the heart of this concept. Sustainable building also considers whether a space can be used for multiple purposes at different periods during its lifetime. Also, factors such as how easy the space can be converted and retrofitted without replacing existing products and technologies and lessening the impact of the building will have on the environment will also make it more sustainable. Thus, consideration should be given not only to how environmentally friendly a product or technology is, but how they will degrade over time, how often they will need to be replaced, and what are its long term limits. So, BIM or Building Information Modeling is contributing hugely to the drive to improve green design. Not only does BIM help with cutting down on waste during the initial construction phase, but the technical data that is attached to a BIM object can help predict the life cycle of that object for specification to construction and lifetime use and ultimately to possible reuse. So when we say building information modeling, it's a process for creating and managing information on the construction project across the project life cycle. One of its key outputs is the building information model or the digital description of every aspect of the built assets. So that ends my report. Thank you for listening. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.